Spray slip solution across the panel and go over it with your squeegee to get rid of any last-minute debris. Spray slip again everywhere except the right edge. You want that to be dry so it'll stick while you do the reverse roll method. Peel the corner of the PPF off the backing paper, place it on the dry area, then peel as you roll the piece out. Protect the bottom as you roll so it doesn't fall. This does not have to be a perfect fit right now. You're just placing it in the general area. Now that that's laid, go back and spray slip underneath and on top of the film, making sure it's moving easily. Flatten everything out and get rid of big bubbles. Let's start by aligning the right corner just inside the edge. Use your palm to move it in place rather than pulling it by the corner. Squeegee down. Then, align the bottom right corner and squeegee that entire edge in place. Now that that's good, make sure everything is moving really well as you make your way to the left side. Do the same thing here. Squeegee the top corner down first. Make sure the bottom corner is in place, then squeegee the rest of the edge down. Make sure that you have a lot of slip on top so the squeegee glides nicely. Gently work your way up, squeegeeing the top edge right inside the panel and not over. Everything else should be in place. Before you squeegee, make sure the bottom and soft corners are aligned and it's not going past the edge. Squeegee the soft corner and up to that point. Start squeegeeing from the top down, getting all the water out. Do a double take, meaning spray slip over it again and squeegee the same way you just did. Wipe down with a microfiber and inspect to make sure that there's no bubbles or misalignments. Now is the time to fix those if you have any. When it's good, spray tack in all edges and squeegee to seal. Wipe down with a microfiber.